Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra compared to Apple's iPhone 12 Pro, one of the world's largest manufacturers of mobile devices, the world-famous South Korean corporation, and the next phone, which is expected to be released in August 2020, should be the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This mobile device is credited with a whole host of different features, with which it can pleasantly please all users. However, as one would expect, the new product will not be only premium phone in the second half of this year, but it will comprise at least one more device, and it will be such an Apple iPhone 12 Pro equipped with the latest technology. So far none of these features have yet been officially presented, but now we know what exactly the new products will be able to pleasantly surprise all those who are waiting for their announcement and launch. The well-known insider Aziz Ghaus reconstructed the appearance of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Apple iPhone 12 Pro smartphones on the basis of information leaks. So now everyone can take a look at how the new mobile devices from two well-known brands will look, and both of them each other's direct competitors. Unfortunately, it is still not known exactly what technical characteristics these phones have. However, in terms of appearance, they are quite different from each other. The camera of the top phone of the South Korean corporation has a protruding photo module that protrudes strongly from the case, so the smartphone is guaranteed not to lie flat on the table if you put it on such without a case. In the case of the iPhone 12 Pro, the camera on the back also protrudes from the case, but not so much. If the iPhone of the new generation will be sold in golden colors, then the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be possible to buy in bronze color, and that is why they differ from each other in this regard. The official presentation of the product of the Apple Corporation will take place in September, while the top-end Samsung phone can be presented on August 5, and its sales in this case will begin after a few weeks. That is, in the second half of the month. It goes without saying that there will be an incredible amount of differences between two phones, but the most important of all is the operating system, because the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has Android 10 installed and the iPhone 12 Pro has iOS 14. On average, both new phones will cost about $1,100. It remains only to wait for their announcement and launch for sale, so that you can compare both mobile devices live and not in the photos that are now available to everyone, being created while maintaining the real size of both phones, equipped with the latest technology. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.